Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English learning series. Today, we're going to combine language learning with a practical activity, packing for an international journey. This video will not only help you improve your English but also provide useful tips for preparing your luggage for a trip abroad. Whether you're traveling for leisure, work, or study, packing efficiently is key to a smooth and enjoyable trip. Let's dive into the process and learn some useful English vocabulary and phrases along the way. First things first, let's talk about preparing your packing list. Having a detailed list ensures you don't forget any essentials. Here are some key items you might include on your list. Passport, travel documents, tickets, reservations, etc. Clothing, including weather-appropriate items. Toiletries, electronics, phone, charger, adapter, etc. Medications, snacks. In English, we often use phrases like make a list or check off items when preparing for a trip. For example, I need to make a list of what to pack, or don't forget to check off items as you pack them. Next, let's discuss choosing the right luggage. Depending on the length and purpose of your trip, you might opt for a suitcase, backpack, or carry-on bag. It's important to know the terms associated with different types of luggage. For instance, suitcase, duffel bag, carry-on, and backpack. You might say, I prefer a suitcase for longer trips, or a carry-on is convenient for short trips. Now, let's move on to packing efficiently. Rolling your clothes can save space, and using packing cubes can help organize your items. Here are some useful packing tips. In English, we use phrases like roll up your clothes and use packing cubes to describe these techniques. For example, I always roll up my clothes to save space, or packing cubes keep everything organized. As an English learner, it's also important to familiarize yourself with essential travel vocabulary and phrases. Here are a few you might find useful. Boarding pass, customs declaration, security check, layover, baggage claim, immigration. You might say, where can I find the baggage claim, or I need to fill out a customs declaration form. Knowing these terms will help you navigate airports and other travel-related situations more confidently. Packing for an international trip can be a daunting task, but with the right preparation and knowledge, it can also be an exciting and smooth process. I hope today's video has given you some useful tips and language skills to help you on your next journey. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or need further advice, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Safe travels and happy learning. Goodbye for now.